Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC Garage. And right now I'm going to my mailbox because we have a very important part that was delivered yesterday. It is the Pinion. Okay, I guess I can't unlock my mailbox. It is the Pinion for the Senton. Oh my god. I'll get the other mail later. I don't need that right now. All we need is this. Ow, I'm not wearing shoes. But this is what we need to finish the install of the motor on the Senton. So let's go ahead and finish the install. Alright, so here is the new Pinion. Slides right on, no problems. But now I need to get this apart so that I can mount the motor in here and then set the mesh, and we'll be all good to go. Alright, so I have this right here, and I just need to take these screws off. And actually it should be just, can I just pull it out? Oh, this screws in a little bit. Take this one out. Once I get this apart, once I get this apart, I just had to line up the motor. See, I could take this part and put it right here, and then I just had to line up the motor. Alright, so I just need to tighten the Pinion down. Where are the set screws? Oh, they're right here. Okay. Whoa, sorry, I hit the camera. No. Alright, so I just need to tighten down these set screws. Alright, now that I got the Pinion on, everything's good, Loctited. I need to set the mesh for the motor, and I need to have these wires sticking up. So there, I see one screw hole. I'm just gonna get the screw holes lined up. There we go. There's one set. I can still move it, so I just need to know that's that mesh. It's pretty good right there. I still have a little bit of play. Probably can't see it as much on camera, but still some good play. You don't want it too tight, because then that will strip your gears and stuff. So still got some play there. Now I'm gonna put Loctite on the other screw. Tighten this one down. Okay, now that that's tight, it shouldn't move. I'm gonna take this one out and put some Loctite on this one. Okay, still a good play there, not too tight. Now I could put this back on and tighten up these screws. And then this will be ready to get thrown back into the truck. Alright, so let's slide this piece in. Pretty sure it just slides back in like that, because there's two. This needs to line up though. the splines on the spur gear need to line up with the splines on the diff. So that's why it's a little, there we go. That's in. Alright, so now that this is in, I need to put the center drive shaft in. And this is probably going to be the trickiest part, I think. Because I need to I should probably put this side in first. Because I need to compress this all the way down. There we go. But this bearing needs to be in that slot. Man. There we go. There we go. That is all in now. Next. Oh crap. That's what I didn't do. Okay. I need to take this out again. I forgot there is. Or can I? There's this piece. Actually, I didn't even need to take that out. I don't know why I did that. There's this piece for the battery hold down. Like that. This I don't need to take off. Now I just need to screw the little red piece in with this screw right here. Okay. Oh, now that that's in, battery strap is in. The other battery strap, oh crap. Oh, never mind. Come on. Come on. Get it out. Okay. That's in. Okay. I think everything is in. I'm pretty sure that's it. I just need to correctly put in these batteries, calibrate the ESC, and then I'm going to also charge up a battery. And we're going to take it out onto the street and see if we blow up the differentials. Alright, so before we do take it out, I need to calibrate the ESC. And I have the little page here next to me. So first, I need to hold full throttle, then turn it on. Now that that's on, I need to go full brake. And the yellow LED. Now I let it go into neutral. Is that it? I don't know if I did it right. Alright, so yeah, I did do it right. It's fine. Now, let's take it outside and rip it around. Alright, so 4S. Oh gosh. gosh. This is so scary. Oh gosh. This is not safe. Don't know why I did this. It's not safe. But you know, whatever. It's only like a quarter throttle. Or like a third. Oh god. This thing is not safe. It's not safe. This is definitely not safe. Not safe on the street right here. But I don't like well, this thing is not going to be safe. No, I'm just kidding, but it is very fast, and I was barely pressing on the throttle. You guys don't understand. That was barely pressing on the throttle. Like, even with 3S, this thing was really fast, and now 4S, bigger motor, bigger battery. It's just insane. Like, this is the fastest RC car I've ever seen, that I personally have. This thing go probably 60, 70, I don't know, something like that. We're gonna have to try and speed test this thing, because this thing is insane. Well, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.